Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9, chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. In the previous lecture I have told you about what is the linear equation. How will you solve the linear, how will you know that it is a two variable or one variable, what is the standard form. So now you will see the exercise 4.1 based on the previous lecture. First question, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of the pen. Write the linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Take cost of notebook be x and that the pen be y. Cost of the notebook, let cost of notebook be x and the cost of pen be y. ATP is given here. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. It is given. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. What is the meaning? Cost of notebook is twice the cost of the pen, means cost of notebook is x, 2 into y. So you can write, what will you do here? X is equal to 2y. So x minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0 is your equation for two variable. It is very simple. Your equation for two variable. You are getting here x minus 2y is equal to 0, or you can write this. Next, second question, question number 2. You can write this or you can write this as a x minus 2y is equal to 0 simply. If it is standard form, you write. Question number 2. Express the following linear equation in standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Indicate the values of a, b and c. What is the first part? 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. So what will you write? 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Why you are writing this? Because the standard equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Compare the coefficient. What is a? 2. What is b? 3. What is c? Minus 9.35 bar. So like this you will solve the question. Your answer will be first standard form, then ABC. These two you will get the mark. Second, x minus y by 5, x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. What is standard? It is already standard form. 1x minus 1 by 5 y minus 10 is equal to 0. Compare with this. It is your standard form. I am not writing again and again. What is a? 1. What is b? Minus 1 by 5. What is c? Minus 10. Because here all is plus. Third part of this question is given. Minus 2x plus 3y. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. It is given. So one is right side, but your standard equation is given all in the left side. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. What will be the a? Coefficient of x? Minus 2. What will be the b? Coefficient of y? 3. What will be the c? Coefficient last term c. Fourth part is given. X is equal to 3y. So you can write x minus 3y equal to 0, or 1x minus 3 into y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now see all the numbers you compare. 1, b not 3, minus 3 and c will be 0. Fifth part. 2x equal to 5y minus 5y. 2x is equal to minus 5y. 2x is equal to minus 5y. 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. What is the first? What is the a is 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 0. Sixth part. All the parts we will write in the standard form. I have written here one time, but you write all the, if the question this is given here, you write standard form, then compare each term. Sixth question, sixth part, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2 is equal to, see here only one variable is given. But what will you do here? Because there is y is not present. What is not present? That you write with plus sign 0 and y. Which term is not given? You write 0y or 0x. Now it is your standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a? 3. What is b? 0. What is c? 2. Like this you will get. Next one is given fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh part. It has a 8 part total. Seventh part is given y minus 2 is 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y, then x is not given. So what will you get? 0x plus y minus 2. Compare with the standard. Ax plus by plus c. First term first. What is a? This with this b. B is nothing is given, but don't write by. B is equal to 1. Y means 1y. And then c is equal to minus 2. Eighth part. 5 equal to 2x. 5 is equal to 2x. Or you can write 2x is equal to 5. Like this also. Then sign the whole right in left and left side in right, then there is no change. Now 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Y is not here. What will do? 2x plus 0 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Always second place y, first place x, third place constant. Compare with the standard. What is a? 2. What is b? 0. And what is c? Minus 5. So it is your answer. Like this, all the answers you are getting. These are the answers, and you will get this type of answers when you will solve. That's all for today. Today you have finished this, and next lecture we will start the solution of the linear equation. Thanks.